In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade XAUUSD in Metatrader 5. XAUUSD is the symbol for gold priced in US dollars, and in MT5 you can buy or sell it just like a currency pair. Gold can move quickly, so practice on a demo if you're new. Start by adding XAUUSD to your market watch. Open Metatrader 5, then press Ctrl+U or go to View and choose Symbols. In the list, find XAUUSD, usually under Metals or Commodities, select it, and click Show. You'll now see XAUUSD in the Market Watch panel on the left. Next, open the gold chart so you can view price action. In Market Watch, locate XAUUSD, right-click it, and choose Chart Window. A new chart will appear and you can change timeframes, zoom in or out, and add any indicators you use. Take a moment to look at the trend and nearby highs and lows before placing a trade. When you're ready to place an order, open the trading panel. Press F9 on your keyboard or click New Order on the toolbar, or right-click on the XAUUSD chart, choose Trading, then New Order. Both options bring up the same order window. In the order window, confirm the symbol is XAUUSD. Set Type to Market Execution if you want to enter at the current price. Choose your volume, which is the lot size. Many traders start small, for example 0.01, to keep risk manageable. Add a stop loss to cap potential loss, and a take profit to lock in gains by entering the price levels where you want MT5 to close the trade automatically. Place these levels at sensible distances for gold's volatility and aligned with your plan. Now choose direction. Click Buy if you think gold is likely to move up from here, or click Sell if you expect it to move down. MT5 will confirm the order, and your position will appear in the terminal so you can track price, profit and loss, and your stop and target. That's it. You've added XAUUSD, opened the chart, and placed a trade in Metatrader 5. Trade carefully, review risk before every order, and keep refining your approach as you learn.